Hey guys, are you wondering how to move your hips during salsa dancing? Or if so, this is the right video for you. I'm Juana.
And I'm Herman. And listen, practice those hip movements. Don't look stiff out on the dance floor. This is what this video is about. Subscribe down here for more salsa tutorials and enjoy the video. Hey guys, what's going on? Okay, so this is how to move your hips when you're dancing salsa. So how do you do it? Well, the first thing I'm gonna have you do is you're gonna bring your feet together. And now this is kind of tricky. You're gonna put your weight on the right foot and then you're gonna bend the right knee. Now, if you're doing this, watch and pay attention and check yourself many times throughout this video as you're going through it. The weight falls in a very unnatural place at first. It doesn't feel comfortable. Your knee is bent, the right leg is bent. Your hip now is going opposite of your knee. So the right knee is bent, but your hips are going to the left. And not only that, but you also feel your rib cage slightly moving to the right as well. So your weight should, again, be on the right foot. And then your hips should be going to the left, okay? Let's go back up. Same thing. So we're gonna shift our weight to the right, bend the right knee, and then we're gonna let's go up first. You go up, shift the weight to the left, bend the left, and you notice the same thing happens, but opposite, you go up. Okay, now without going up and down, I'm gonna lower into the right knee, and then I'm gonna shift without going up and down, just directly to the side. Shift the weight, and the weight falls on the knee that is bent. Go to the other side, boom. And then you can see left, right. That when you move your knees, don't lift your heels. Keep your heels flat on the floor, right, left, right, left, right, left, and right, left. That when you do that, when you move your knees, your hips automatically move. So you don't really need to think about moving your hips. It's not like you're trying to force your hip to go into some weird position. It's all because of your knee movement, because of the weight transferring that your body starts to move. So at first, this might feel awkward, and it's a little bit counterintuitive, but it'll make a lot of the body movement second nature if you get the weight transferring right. You don't have to see when I move my hips, I'm not thinking about moving my actual hips, I'm just thinking of the steps. I'm changing the weight, transferring the weight from one leg to the other and bending my knees, and then my hips automatically, without even thinking about it, they move. Now as you do this, you don't want to sway from side to side. This is completely lateral. You're going from the side, from the right to the left, and this is just here, 1 dimension, 2 dimensions, side to side. Boom, 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 okay? Once you get that movement down, then you want to start stepping. You want to go step with your right foot, and you want to land in that position. And then you're going to step with your left foot, and you're going to land in that position again. But this time, every time you step, right, left, the weight is going to fall on the bent leg, and your hips and your body is going to naturally move. And that's how you get the body movement. So when you do this, when you start to step, you want to be careful that you're still following the same principle. The weight falls on the bent knee, and the weight is going to go always, so bent knee, the weight is going to be kept off that straight leg. This is counterintuitive because when we walk, the weight always falls on the right leg, on the straight leg, and so you're going to keep the weight on the bent leg. A little bit difficult at first, okay? Like I said, don't sway around, don't move anywhere, just in place, right, left, right, left, right, left. And now from here, we're just going to put it in our basis step, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Here's a view from the back. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. The last one. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Okay guys, so that's how you add body movement into your salsa dancing. You don't want to step out and be completely rigid and without any body movement, because then it looks robotic like that. Even if you add a little bit of body movement, it makes a huge difference in terms of the overall look of the dance. And so it'll make you look a little bit more natural, a little bit more fluid, and maybe people would even think that you've been dancing your whole life. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for listening. See you guys soon.
Guys, you're amazing for making it all the way to the end of the video.
Awesome job. And I hope you practice that hip movement. Start off slow. Practice it. It's going to make your dancing look a lot better. People are going to give you compliments left and right on those hips. And then when they do, send them over this way so they can learn how to move their hips too. Thank you guys so much for listening, and subscribe down here for more salsa tutorials.